So, if you're going to write one piece of notes down for this talk, write this one. The definition of integrity is honesty, openness, transparency, and fairness. Those 4 component parts. And you know, one of the things that becomes really important over time is fairness. If people don't think something is fair, then they don't think it is acting with integrity. Fairness is an increasingly and they don't have to be just ours. If you work in the retail sector, there are retail qualifications, but it's qualifications whatever happens. Higher levels of skill are needed to work in finance. Ethics and integrity make up professionals. Professionalism is knowledge, skills, and behavior. And if we remember our definition of what integrity was, honesty, openness, transparency, and fairness. Thank you very much for your attention.